The capstone is the pinnacle point that we've all been working towards. It's the final destination, really, of a summation of all of our hard work.
So the capstone is meant to bring all the knowledge that you've had and all the courses that you've had during those 2 years and actually apply that to an innovation project.
It's really the culmination of the entire MBA program.
Our MBA is an online program, so it's a great opportunity to come together at the capstone.
We gather here in campus in London.
I think that's very important for students to come in person for the Capstone Week because you're not only attending lectures.
You get to enjoy London, you get to see sights, you get to hang out with your friends, and there's a lot of social activities planned by the university.
The in-person experience allows you to really deepen the network.
You get to collaborate directly with your colleagues, build a network. So we have here a network from nearly all over the world.
Our friendship, our bonding is stronger from hanging out together.
Building connections and talking directly to people, this has a different feel than meeting them online.
It's a lot more personable, and you get the opportunity to interact live with the professors.
Coming on campus is a very exciting experience. The group is very big and very diverse, and it also gives you motivation to keep on building up your career.
We work on a challenge.
A real innovation project linked to a company.
It's really the coaching session where we discuss our idea with the coaches and they would give advice that really improved our project from one coaching session to another.
We went through marketing strategies, we went through financials of the company, also how to talk to stakeholders.
And that's given by experts in entrepreneurship, by experts in innovation.
We nearly applied every single thing that we learned on modules in the project. And doing that in person is actually important.
This culminates to a pitch in the final day of the Capstone project in front of a panel.
We invite experts from industry as judges. We will award 2 winners of the pitch event, and we have a social after the pitch event to celebrate final day of the capstone.
It's an excellent opportunity to learn a lot of new things.
It helps your own career a lot.
It really fosters great ideation and collaboration.
You get to build personal relationships with people that I think will go a long way.
It was the best experience.
I've never been in such a diverse environment ever.
I look forward to what we can start together as a team again in the future.